Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick PC case review in the Vetroo AL600 pink ATX case. This case has both filters on the top and on the side panel on the back. They're both pink, which I really like. It also has a pink filter on the bottom for the power supply. There is a handle or a spot to put your hand to remove the front panel. It comes with 3 ARGB fans in the front. They're pink and white. They're 3-pin ARGB standard, but they're also 3-pin for the power. They're not 4-pin. It does come with a fan hub. I had problems with the fan hub. I'm not sure if it was the motherboard's software or if it was the fan hub itself, but I replaced it because I bought 3 fans for this case and it came with the fan hub, but just beware of that. The 3 included black fans are not PWM. I just used 2 of them in exhaust in the very top, and you're not really able to see that from the outside, especially with the black going around the glass like that. I really like the fact that they have that side intake. You could put it as exhaust, I guess, but I would definitely put it as intake. And you could put a 240 millimeter radiator there. On the website, on their website, it just says that there's only room for 220 millimeter fans there, but I think a creative person could put a 240 millimeter radiator there. You just got to be aware that it could interfere with the GPU. The GPU I put in was 301 millimeter, and it would definitely hit that one. I think a 290 millimeter, you could squeeze it in there. You could definitely squeeze it in there with a 280 millimeter. There's a little bit more room above the motherboard in this case than your typical case, and so that should help with radiator support. I really like above the power supply that it's perforated. Be aware there is a cutout for the power supply so you can see the power supply through the glass, because that means that lower fan will actually get air to the GPU. This case has really good airflow. Just from the 3 front fans, it really blows in there. Overall, I would give the case an 8 out of 10. I would have really liked it to just been pink and white and to not have any of the black in there. They could have just got rid of all 3 of those black fans and either put white around the glass or pink around the glass. There is enough room to run all the necessary wires, but personally, I would have liked to see more slots cut into the top. And I also would have liked the slots to have been a little wider. They don't need to be any deeper. They got that right, but they could have been a little wider. Thanks for watching the video. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments below.